How to change earpads or ear cushions on a 2XL shakedown by Skullcandy. 2XL is a Skullcandy division that produces affordable music and audio headphones. This pair in particular has been part of my collection for about 10 years now. This is what a brand new looks like. It comes in many colorways, but I got the red, yellow, and green or the Rasta variation. 2XL later on released a newer version of the shakedown which looked like this. It became confusing because both units are now called the shakedown. The company tried so hard to separate the 2XL from the Skullcandy branding. 2XL roughly has the same quality but is in a much lower price range. I think 2XL died down because of this. I'm not even sure if they're still producing headphones. If you would try to look up for reviews or unboxing videos online, the most recent results are from 6 years ago. Now, going back to our topic, I would like to put on a pair of fret pads on my 2XL shakedown. And what's unique about these headphones is that it actually has these tiny spikes that holds the flange in place. So, unlike putting new set of pads on other headphones, for the 2XL shakedowns, you would not want to twist your new earpads. Those spikes I showed you earlier are actually a bit sharp and can actually puncture the PU leather material. Here's what you have to do. Place one side of the flange like this. Hold it using your other thumb. Put the remaining part of the flange in place. You slowly go around like this, making sure that the pressure is even all around. While the material is stretchy, make sure that the pressure you apply is just enough to avoid stretching too hard. Once the flange is all the way in, go around one more time to make sure that the new earpads are sitting well in place. And that's it. One side done, one more to go. Doing the same on the other side. Hook it up, and yes, it can be stubborn sometimes, and that's okay. Hold it with your thumb. Go around, stretching it very gently, making sure that you have a good feel for the material. The last part is the hardest and the scariest, but it is also the most satisfying part. PU leather is soft and can actually tear up easily. Small adjustments here and there, and we're good to go. I think it turned out really nice. Looks good as new to me.